In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your address to your Facebook page. Keeping your business address visible on your page makes it easier for people to find you, get directions, and trust that they're in the right place. I'll walk you through the exact steps, share what each screen means, and give you a few helpful tips so you can do this confidently in just a couple of minutes. First, go to your page. Make sure you're on the page you manage and not your personal profile. If you manage multiple pages, double-check the page name at the top so you're editing the right one. Next, click Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find settings in the left sidebar or in the main menu for your page. This is the control center where you manage information, permissions, and other page options. From there, select Page Details. This area contains the core information about your business, including your name, category, and contact information. Think of this as the business card of your page. Everything here should be accurate and up to date. Under Contact and Basic Info, click Add Address. This section is dedicated to how people can reach you. Adding an address helps your page display a map location, which can increase trust and make it easier for customers to visit you. Now, type your full address. Enter the street address, city, state, or region, and postal code exactly as it appears officially. Include suite or unit numbers if you have them, and use standard abbreviations so the mapping tool recognizes it correctly. Take a moment to confirm spelling and numbers. Small typos can point visitors to the wrong place. If you work from a private residence and don't want visitors, consider whether adding your full address aligns with your privacy needs before you proceed. Finally, click Save. When you save, your page updates with the address information you entered. You should see your details reflected in the Contact and Basic Info section, and in many cases, a map pin will appear on your page, helping people locate you quickly. That's it. By going to your page, opening Settings, selecting Page Details, choosing Add Address under Contact and Basic Info, entering your full address, and clicking Save, you've made your page more helpful and professional. Keep this information current. If your location changes, repeat these same steps to update it promptly so customers always know where to find you.